Austin Tyler Reaves, born May 29, 1998, is an American professional basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers of the National Basketball Association, NBA. He played college basketball for the Wichita State Shockers and the Oklahoma Sooners. Nicknamed AR-15, he joined the Lakers as an undrafted free agent. Reaves attended Cedar Ridge High School in Newark, Arkansas. He won back-to-back Class 2A state titles in his first 2 years. Reaves scored 73 points in a triple overtime win over Forest City High School. As a senior, he averaged 32.5 points, 8.8 rebounds, and 5.1 assists per game, leading his team to a Class 3A state title. Reaves was named MVP of the state tournament after averaging 43.3 points through 4 games. He was a 2-time Class 3A All-State selection. On January 20th, 2016, he committed to playing college basketball for Wichita State over offers from South Dakota State and Arkansas State. Reaves went undrafted in the 2021 NBA draft. He said that he declined to be selected 42nd overall by the Detroit Pistons, opting instead to sign a 2-way contract with the Los Angeles Lakers on August 3, 2021. On September 27th, he was signed to a standard NBA contract. On October 22nd, Reaves made his NBA debut, scoring 8 points off the bench in a 115-105 loss to the Phoenix Suns. On December 15th, he scored 15 points on 5 of -6 shooting from 3, grabbed 7 rebounds, and hit a game-winning 3-pointer in a 107-100 victory over the Dallas Mavericks. During the Lakers' season finale on April 10, 2022, in a 146-141 overtime win over the Denver Nuggets, Reaves notched the first triple-double of his career and put up career highs in rebounds and previously assists, with 16 rebounds and 10 assists, along with 31 points in 42 minutes. Reaves was selected to play on the 2023 U.S. national team for the FIBA World Cup. He was only the 3rd undrafted NBA player on a U.S. national team, following Ben Wallace 2002 and Brad Miller 2006. Austin Reaves didn't always love LeBron James. In fact, as a 12-year-old Kobe Bryant fan, he was trolling him on social media. In April 2012, Reaves posted, "When I need some peace and quiet, I set my phone to LeBron mode. No ring, a dig at LeBron's slightly bad patch." So when Reaves joined the Lakers to team up with James in 2021, it set the scene for a dramatic relationship. However, over the years, he developed a strong bond with James. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.